Hi, Mark Reedy here. Okay, to do option 3, when you have to replace your odometer or hours meter, here's what you would do. So we're going to take this boom truck as an example. And I'm going to go over here to the equipment summary screen and then go to update odometer and hours. Click view all. And you can see we've got all these old hour or odometer readings here. So I'm just going to click this and drag all the way down until they're all selected, and then I'm just going to press the delete key, and that's going to delete 204 records. Alright, so that is done. And now we're going to go over to our Lube Service tab, and we see here that we've had some 5,000 mile lubes that were done. We'll look at the interval on that. So they're all, that's a 5,000 mile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a 5,000 mile replace odometer entry in the, we're going to go to Forms and then drop down List Maintenance, and then we're going to go to Lube Service Types. And so I'm going to create a new one here, and we're just going to click on Add, and then we're going to type in 5K, and we'll say this, I'll call this, we'll say before ODO replacement. All right, and then we're going to leave the intervals all at 0. We're going to click on Add and then Close. Okay, so now we have these 5,000 miles that were done here. We can see the last one. You can see the last one was done at 38,08490. We'll just leave all these numbers in there, but I'm going to change this to the 5K before ODO replace. So let's go ahead and change all those. Okay, and so now that one will never pop up, the reminders pop up, and it won't remind you, or won't be misrepresented as far as the reminders go with the odometers reading here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a new 5,000 mile, and we'll put in the same date as the last one. So we'll just go 03/29/2013, and so here we have 308490. So we need to know at what mileage the odometer broke at. So let's say the odometer broke at 308,500. So it was just 10 miles past this date here, right? So basically what we need to do in this case, in that case, would be to put on this as the last time the odometer reading for this particular lube service was done would be -10. All right, so now you're counting up. You started at 0, but you was actually done 10 miles before the odometer broke. So that lets you know that this actual last odometer, this last lube service was done 10 miles before it broke. So it's going to be so it's going to actually start reminding you or become due once the new odometer hits 4,990. All right, so then you would just put in there the person that did it again, and basically all the same stuff. And where you can just put a note down here, duplicate of let's say of last lube service before the odometer broke. Okay, and so that's all you got to do. Hopefully that's helpful for you. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later.